Good morning, children. So, in this chapter, only a small topic is remaining, that is ones complement and twos complement arithmetic. First comes the ones complement arithmetic. In this, first of all, a binary number is added a sign bit 0 or 1 in the beginning to represent whether the number is positive or negative. For example, 1, 11011 means that the binary number 11011 is negative. When we add 1, it means it is negative. If the sign bit is 0 or it is ignored, it means that the binary number is positive. Now, to perform subtraction of binary numbers by using this ones complement, we have to do the following steps. First, find the ones complement of the number to be subtracted. Add it to the number from which it is to be subtracted. If the sum results in a carry 1, then add it to the least significant bit, that is the rightmost bit of the sum. In case there is no carry from the sum of the most significant bits, then the result remains the same. Look at this example given here. Subtract 1010 from 1101. So 1101 is to be written on the top with a sign bit of 0 since it is a positive number. And 1010 is to be subtracted. That means it will be a negative number. So I am writing a sign bit 1 here. Okay. And the ones complement of 1010 is written over here in front of the sign bit 1. Ones complement is 0101. So add these two numbers. Start from the right hand side. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0 again and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 0 and 1. Now see here, carry 1 is to be added to the rightmost bit. Since we are getting a carry, it is to be added to the rightmost bit. So 0010 may, when we add 1, we get 0011. So to subtract 1010 base 2 from 1101, this is the method by using ones complement. The number to be subtracted is to be converted into ones complement. How do we convert it into ones complement? We change all zeros to ones and ones to zeros. Then we add a sign bit on the left and then we add the two numbers. If a carry is there after adding, then that carry is to be added to the rightmost bit. This is the answer. We come to twos complement arithmetics now. This is another method to perform binary arithmetic. The twos complement means one's complement of its binary number plus 1. For example, suppose the binary number is 1011. Its ones complement is 0100. Now add 1 to it. 0100 plus 1 comes to 0101. This is known as twos complement. To subtract two binary numbers using twos complement, we have to follow the following steps. First of all, find the twos complement of the number which is to be subtracted. Then find the sum of twos complement and the binary number from which it is to be subtracted. After finding the sum, if the carry is 1, then the result is only the sum part, excluding the carry. In case there is no carry, then the final answer will be the twos complement with a sign bit 1 as the most significant bit to indicate a negative value. We can have a look at this example. Subtract 1010 base 2 from 1101 base 2. First you have to find the ones complement of 1010, which is equal to 0101. Next you have to find the twos complement. To find the twos complement, you have to add 1 to the ones complement and we get 0110. So 1101 is to be written on top with 0 on the left. This is the sign bit. Then 0110 is to be written at the bottom with sign bit 1, and these are to be added. When we add them, we get 100011. Since we are getting the carry, we have to drop the carry, and the answer is 0 as the sign bit and 0011. I hope these two methods of subtracting two binary numbers using 1's complement and 2's complement are clear to you, all of you. Thank you, children.